Jean Koeller. I am part of the Dana Wiley Gallery. I've been an artist that has been practicing for at least 40 plus years. I did do my undergraduate and an MFA, and I've been painting on my own since then. So this piece here on my left, or your right, is part of a series about doorways that are part of my studio. One of the things that I loved ever since painting in that space is the fall. There's a maple tree outside that turns yellow all at once. And for about maybe 3 days, I get this yellow light that streams in the door. And I finally decided I needed to capture it one way or another and kind of acknowledge that landscape that's out there between what happens in the space with me. So I abstracted that experience out of it. And it has been part of a series that started out as landscapes that were dedicated to my mother, Joan. And then I continued working with them based on paper constructions that I have worked with within that 2 or 3 year period.